I check my phone. I check my phone.
I walk to school. I walk to school.
I get dressed quickly. I get dressed quickly. I get dressed quickly. I need to buy groceries. I need to buy groceries. I forgot my umbrella. I forgot my umbrella. Let's order some food. Let's order some food. I'm looking for my keys. I'm looking for my keys. I make my bed. I make my bed. I drink coffee every morning. I drink coffee every morning. I slept well last night. I slept well last night. The weather is nice today. The weather is nice today.
I eat breakfast at home. I eat breakfast at home. I eat breakfast at home.
I read the news. I read the news. I read the news. I leave for work. I leave for work. I drive to the office. I drive to the office. I take the bus. I take the bus. The store is closed. The store is closed. I'm feeling tired. I'm feeling tired. Did you see my phone? Did you see my phone? I'm running late. I'm running late. I break the eggs. I break the eggs. I am slicing carrots. I am slicing carrots. I am chopping cabbage. I am chopping cabbage. I cover the pot. I cover the pot.
I take a knife. I take a knife.
I am heating oil. I am heating oil. I fry eggs. I fry eggs. I turn on the gas stove. The gas stove. I turn on the gas stove. I am chopping tomatoes. I am chopping tomatoes. I add salt to the curry. I add salt to the curry. I add water to the pot. I add water to the pot. I am steaming vegetables. I am steaming vegetables. I stir the vegetables. I stir the vegetables. I add cheese to the sandwich. I add cheese to the sandwich. I am heating the milk. I am heating the milk. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Please remember to hit the subscribe button for more fun lessons.